Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. I am Srinivas, AI trainer and mentor at Genai99, founder of Genai Lakes, and inventor of 4 groundbreaking AI products. Those who know how to use AI will succeed. Those who know how to direct AI will lead. On day 5, you'll master ChatGPT, Claude, and the art of prompt engineering, one of the most valuable skills in today's AI-driven world. Learn how to communicate with AI effectively, craft powerful prompts, and generate accurate, high-quality results for real-world tasks. Discover how professionals use AI to accelerate research, create content, write code, automate workflows, and boost productivity. Explore how AI can help solve business challenges, streamline operations, and unlock new opportunities across industries. Through practical exercises and industry-focused applications, you'll learn how to transform AI from a simple tool into a powerful productivity partner. This is where you stop asking AI basic questions and start strategically directing AI to achieve meaningful results. By the end of day 5, you'll have the skills, confidence, and mindset to leverage ChatGPT and Claude for maximum impact in your career, business, and future innovations. Click the link below and start your AI journey today. Genai99. Empowering the future with AI.